Because most microorganisms have developed resistance to synthetic antibiotics from overuse, it's becoming crucial to find smarter solutions that nature offers. We all know that synthetic antibiotics can cause side effects, some right away and others a little later. But nature's gifts don't come with unwanted consequences. Research shows that nature is full of products with antibiotic properties, and one of the most amazing is propolis, which has been used for centuries. It's a perfect substance that both nourishes and heals the human body. Propolis is a mix of resinous substances that bees gather from the flowers of different plants. They collect it and mix it with secretions from their mandibular glands, then modify it with enzymes so that the most important substances, flavonoids, become active. It has a unique appearance, a bitter taste, and a distinct, aromatic smell. Its composition and color depend on the plants the bees gather it from and the season. Used for over 2,000 years, it was highly valued by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, and Romans for its medicinal properties. Propolis contains 50% resin, 30% wax, 10% essential oils, 5% pollen, and a variety of vitamins, minerals, organic acids, polyphenol, and flavonoids. The flavonoids are especially key to its healing properties, as they act as antioxidants and protect plants from pathogens. In propolis, you'll find flavonoids like galangin, quercetin, chrysin, kaempferol, apigenin, pinosembrin, and pinobanxin. This natural remedy wipes out anything harmful to a healthy body while protecting healthy tissue and aiding in recovery. Research has shown that it acts as a natural anesthetic, antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibiotic. It fights against most viruses, including the flu, and is excellent for treating fungi and parasites. What's more, bacteria don't develop resistance to it, and it doesn't cause harmful side effects like synthetic antibiotics can. One of the best ways to use it is to apply it to your chest before sleep, as it can help calm a cough and promote deeper sleep. It also stimulates the creation of new cells, making it excellent for treating wounds that heal slowly, as well as many skin conditions like acne, eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and fungal infections of the skin, nails, and scalp. It's especially effective for ulcers, burns, and insect stings. Propolis can stop abnormal cell growth, it's cytostatic, which helps with benign tumors. It encourages new cell formation and tissue regeneration. Additionally, it can help treat severe diarrhea when other medications fail. As a biostimulator, it enhances the overall condition of the body, normalizing metabolism and boosting immune function. It's also useful for treating ear and mouth diseases, with great results for preventing and treating sore throats, toothaches, gum disease, bad breath, hemorrhoids, urinary tract inflammation, and gastritis. As a powerful antioxidant, it combats free radicals, which are considered to cause many serious diseases, including cancer, atherosclerosis, cataracts, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. Recent studies show that it strengthens the immune system and even has anti-cancer effects. Propolis can be used in its raw form, or you can prepare it as a water extract, alcohol tincture, propolis drops, ointment, or cream. Here's how you can prepare these forms for use. To make a water extract, freeze raw propolis and grind it into a fine powder. Mix 1 teaspoon of this powder with 250 milliliters of clean water in the evening and drink it slowly the next morning. Any remaining propolis at the bottom of the glass should be eaten before breakfast. For an ointment, place 80 to 90 grams of petroleum jelly in a ceramic or enamel pot and heat it gently in a water bath. Add 10 to 20 grams of ground propolis and stir until it melts. Any impurities will float to the top. Just remove them with a wooden spoon. Add a bit of alcohol tincture to ensure it blends well with the petroleum jelly, then cool it by placing the pot in cold water. Stir until it has cooled. Store it in a sealed jar in a cool, dark place. To take raw propolis, consume 3 to 5 grams daily between meals, chewing it for at least 15 minutes before swallowing. Tinctures are made by mixing propolis with alcohol. For the tincture, use 96% ethyl alcohol, or better yet, 76% ethyl alcohol, marked as food safe. After placing it in a jar, pour in the alcohol in a 1:2 ratio. Let it sit for 5 to 7 days, shaking it 3 times a day. Afterward, strain it using a coffee filter or something similar. You can take 20 to 90 drops of the tincture daily, depending on the condition, in between meals, with half a spoon of honey or warm water. When it comes to specific problems, you can use propolis as a solution for many common health issues. For stomach pain, take 20 to 30 drops of a diluted 30% alcohol tincture 3 times a day before meals. To treat blisters or corns, apply a thick layer of ointment and cover it with a bandage overnight. If you have bleeding from a cut or injury, quickly stop it by using cotton soaked in propolis drops. For fungal skin diseases, apply propolis cream, ointment, or drops several times a day. For burns, soak gauze in the ointment and apply it to the affected area. For psoriasis, take 15 drops 3 times a day while also applying cream or ointment to the affected spots. Hemorrhoids can be treated with propolis ointment locally, and the tincture can be used internally. For respiratory problems, add 10 drops of propolis to chamomile or thyme tea and inhale the steam for 5 minutes, several times a day. Acne, ulcers, dermatitis, and eczema can be treated by applying cream or tincture several times a day. To address periodontitis, apply drops to inflamed gums 3 times a day after brushing your teeth. For hair loss, alopecia, mix tincture with lukewarm water in a 1:5 ratio and massage it into your scalp, using it to rinse your hair as well. Given its rich content of biologically active compounds essential for every cell in our body, we can confidently say that propolis is truly an antibiotic that nourishes and heals.